Hello friends, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 22nd of July 2025, we are bringing this news to you today. Listening to this as Nigerian soldier, so he is advising the Biafran Liberation Army and all the forces we have in Biafra how they are going to get Musa and the Kalu out from DSS detention. So always na ihe ga-eme ka we hapụ Musa and the Kalu bụ nọ na eji enwekọsịa all these eastern governors, all these Biafran governors eji enwekọsịa ha ncha niile jidofa hostage. Ọ bụrụkwa na ka egbuo ha egbuo ya no just nwekọsịa ha ncha niile ejido ha hostage. Ọ bụrụ na ekipo ha hostage for a very long time, that thing will force the federal government to release Musa and the Kalu. Guys, how do you see this advice? How do you see it?
Make una do the right thing. Make una hold all the whole governor that make up the indigenous people of Biafra. Hold them. There should be no office in the east. There should be no movement in the east. They should go and bring una the Kanu. Let it be war.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
I'm Biafra. But you make a little why me?
Boy, auto. Yeah, auto go to give me one, or also give me one. Give me come my half a pushing hole and go. And I was gonna have Biafra land, and he said that, and this Biafra land, and we don't be there. Oh, the time here now, more Biafra, more people. We have me gonna lie. I don't know I got what else on a line. I got anybody else, so come on, I have a line also. Now we, this land I don't need, and we get that. That. So whatever you do, no say now we. How you think say you go from where you from? Come my side, come with me. You don't go fit to work on where they live. Go from outside, they come where they live. Find me come still go scot free. Now be saying that you find come now.
So, but seriously, we all know that the people that are holding Musa and the Kalu is Igbos. Not even the Musa guys, not even the Fulani. The major people that are holding Musa and the Kalu up to today in that detention are Igbos. That is to tell you the bad side of Igbo people fighting themselves. That's why they recruited Igbos to fight against Igbos that happens to be Biafra Liberation Army. That is Umunne and Nusozongo Hogo, Nebuchisi Onwofa, or in the name of Aibonde government side, Aibonde Biafran side, Aibonde Nigerian side. Why in all actual sense here, na Igbos yo, na Umunne o, just a Nebuchisi Onwofa. Guys, check your name, I can't fucking house where they were. God nyere. So my fans and my friends, now these are the Biafran Liberation Army. They are still celebrating their masquerade festival Although according to this video details, it is one of the gods of the land that they hosted this festival for. Arrow. They hosted this festival for Arrow. So they performed some little sacrifice for it. It is just for a kind of protection, protecting them, and to make sure that they protect the Biafra land against the Musa guys, the Fulani guys, the Asari guys, and also to make sure that Biafra come into existence.
Bro, I swear, that's the way they tell me not go work. Make I clear, make I tell you the truth. Go out there. Go out there. Before money, if anything no look like this, somebody that up his mind. So the mind don't do there. I tell you now, the mind don't do there. So make you know the waste your time. Say they tell me this or this, say this one, bro. Now one time person that die, person know they die 2 times, so now one. So free your captains, free I know one here now. Like that. Now it's in them my mind, now me I go there do. So Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Men they no be one. They want yourself. As well.
So guys, listen to this Nigerian ex-soldier who happens to know a little bit secret concerning the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and why they are still keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention up to today. So listen to him and you will hear exactly what he suggested.
About Nnamdi Kanu. But what is keeping Nnamdi Kanu in the prison today is saboteurs. Because of the saboteurs, some selfish people that will make the good movement of this nation, that will make the betterment of this nation not to appear to the people of this nation. Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. You see that how Nigerian leadership are turning this country upside down. That every human being or the citizen of this country, they are not getting it right. You see that hospital, you are not well treated. You see that in police station, your case are not be well taken care of. Seeking security everywhere. There is no security. He decided to say no, and he know the history, and he decided, let me get my own country, Biafra. And the history of Biafra, he met that history that a lot of indigenous people of Biafra, they are fighting for this country called Biafra for a very long time before he was born. And he stood up. A saboteurs in the east. The people holding Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria today, in the prison today, is not the government, it's not the president. How can the president hold Nnamdi Kanu when all the whole charges against him is not guilty to it? The people holding Nnamdi Kanu in this country today is the leadership, the leaders in the east, the governors. Let me measure. I am not afraid of anything. The governor of Enugu, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu. The governor of Anambra, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu. Hope Uzodimma, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu detention. The governor of Abia State, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu detention. Wike, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu detention. Now, they hold Nnamdi Kanu, make it they know what? Release am. Una say, if they release Nnamdi Kanu, say, problem go there for East. How problem go there? Nnamdi Kanu there for detention, problem not there for the East. Is Fulani not killing the people of the Igbo land? Is Fulani not killing people inside East today? The governor of Enugu is an impotent governor. Fulani herdsmen is killing your people. You are not doing anything. You did not take anything action. It was the youth. The youth that said they must gain Biafra. They are the one fighting. They are the one pushing those Fulani away from their land. You will keep her because of selfish interest. Those people I just mentioned, they are behind the arrest. They are behind the detain of Nnamdi Kanu. They want Nnamdi Kanu to die in that prison so that anything concerning Biafra should not rise again. It's a lie. Nobody can stop the sun to shine. The worm when they eat cola, the worm when they chop cola, it dey inside cola. So the people killing Nnamdi Kanu, the people that said Nnamdi Kanu will not be released, they are charging him reckless and nonsense charges. They are the governor, the House of Representatives that is represent all the whole senatorial district in the east. They are against him. They are the one that said Nnamdi Kanu will not gain freedom. That if they gain Biafra, them who is now the governor, so-called Nigeria, they will not have any political space in the Biafra. They will chase them away from Biafra because they did not start for them to gain Biafra. It's only Nnamdi Kanu and Samuel Ekpa that gain Biafra. So therefore, they don't want the Biafra to stand. So my advice to the IPOB today, Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, going to court every day. And you people are creating sit at home. Let me tell you today, sit at home will not solve the problem. Sit at home will not bring Nnamdi Kanu out of that place. Let me advise you people. I'm talking to you. If you know you are the commander in the IPOB, in the movement of Biafra, you stand, you are a true, you are not a bloodshed, you are not a ritualist, hiding in the umbrella of IPOB, say you are fighting for Biafra. If you are not, you are the real Biafra. I'm talking to you. Sit at home will not bring Nnamdi Kanu out of prison. Sit at home will not make the problem that Nnamdi Kanu is having be solved. Nnamdi Kanu issue is being adjourned to October 10. I advise you people to make movement to Abuja October 7. You people should occupy everywhere in Abuja. If they judge the case that on the 10th of October and they did not release Nnamdi Kanu, you people should make sure that you hold DSS office. Now once that they die, you people are in the east, IPOB here and there. You don't want Nigerian, you don't want this one. Sit at home every Monday will not solve problem to bring Nnamdi Kanu out of the prison because the whole governors in the east, they are the one holding Nnamdi Kanu. Now then they do guluma, make them not release Nnamdi Kanu. So therefore, if you hold the whole governors in the state ransomly, they not go off in, nobody attend, nobody dig for governor house. They should go to Abuja and tell the president to release Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist leader. They will do. But you people keep quiet. You are doing to the left side of the story. You are doing to the left side of the solution to release Nnamdi Kanu. Because the governors, House of Senate, that is representing the people of the East, are behind the detention of Nnamdi Kanu. They don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Because I make my finding. They cannot arrest Meiti Allah, who is the leader of Fulani herdsmen. They cannot arrest that man and detain him to this extent. They will not. You will see the terror, you will see the Fulani herdsmen. They will be killing. But why should they arrest Nnamdi Kanu since 2017? You people just keep quiet. Shouting Biafra, shouting IPOB. Why some people are using the old IPOB to become what? Ritualists. Be killing people, eating people, all in the name of IPOB. Why the real IPOB are there? Those people doing that for ritualists, say IPOB, all those ones, they are terrorists of the East. They are the propaganda. That those ones, they don't want Biafra to stand. They don't want Nnamdi Kanu to come outside from the prison, from detention. They are the one doing those ritually all in the name of IPOB. So my advice to you people, the youth from the East, Lord Biafra, my advice to you now, make una hold all the whole governor ransom for this. They are behind the release of Nnamdi Kanu. They are the one pushing the federal government. They are the one making them to charge unnecessary charge. That is not important. Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. It's not a leader of terrorists. Why the leader of terrorists that they are disturbing this country? They are there moving freely, even moving with security, soldiers. They are escorting the leaders of terrorists in this country. While Nnamdi Kanu, who needs freedom, who needs this whole country, is being detained unlawfully. Now, if you people come to disturb the people of the East, they will not send their Peking to come and do that. They will send innocent soldier. Then the innocent soldier, they will now die. They will now kill them all in the name of keeping peace. They will now recruit another and send back there. You people will now kill them again. Killing soldiers in the East will not stop the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Instead, will uphold Nnamdi Kanu to be in the prison. I advise you people today, the IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, I advise you now today, anytime when I see my video, make una do the right thing. Make una hold all the whole governor that make up the indigenous people of Biafra. Hold them. There should be no office in the East. There should be no movement in the East. They should go and bring Nnamdi Kanu. Let it be war. You will see other neighboring states will support una. All those things when they do so, say Biafra army, Biafra soldier, you don't want the zoo army to. You boys are just wasting your time. You are increasing the problem of Nnamdi Kanu. You boys are not ready to release Nnamdi Kanu. You people can fight this. You can fight this and get Biafra. But if you people are killing, you are ranting in the East without taking a proper step, Nnamdi Kanu will not be released. I am not praying that he should be there. Because the governors and the House of Senate rep in the East, they are behind his detention. Because why? If Nnamdi Kanu come outside, those people call themselves governor, House of Rep, they will not have the opportunity in any position in Biafra land. They might be chased out of Biafra. That is why they are making sure Nnamdi Kanu should not be released. This is my advice. I come in peace. I mean no harm. Detaining Nnamdi Kanu, they pay me for body because why? Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist leader. He's a freedom fighter. Why are you people detaining a freedom fighter and leave the leaders of Boko Haram and Fulani men? Why should you people leave the leaders of Boko Haram, ISWAP, banditry, and you people know them? They give you the list. And now, when I come to face Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, is he up to the terrorist leader in the north? If not another person, they arrest for this kind of treason. When they say treason, are you aware the person not go reach this kind of time for prison detention? Nnamdi Kanu is an innocent person. They just hate him because why? They still say he's wise. If the country divide, peace go there, everybody go, it go affect them. They don't say if the country divide, those who are ruling now, the governor ruling in the East now, they are not going to get it right. That is why they are doing amable to the president that they should not release what? Nnamdi Kanu. Because why? They are not going to benefit in the movement of Biafra country. That's why they are doing so. If you say you don't hear from me, I don't tell you now wait till this up now. Make una do the right thing. Mobilize to Abuja, DSS for a massive protest on that court day. Now go stop the release of Nnamdi Kanu. May they give una leaders. You not do anything. If not and therefore don't hold that place ransom says. Not be to do sit at home, man. Please. Not be sit at home, go release Nnamdi Kanu. Do the right thing, the people of Biafra. I want una to do the right thing. October is the name, is adjourned, the court case. I want to make una there Abuja by on the 7th.
Also, this very young man here said that his father happens to be one of the Biafran soldiers during the Civil War, that he is ready to fight along the Biafrans if he can only be given igwe ka ebinye ya igwe ka ọ kụba igwe. Ọ sị na ọ chọrọ ịpịawa igwe na ebe igwe na ka ọ pịawa igwe ka o wee bụrụ ka o wee join ya. In fact, na ọ chọrọ join ndị Biafran Liberation Army si binye ya igwe ka ọ kụba igwe. Na mpa ya jere ọgụ Biafra mgbe a ndụrụ ọgụ Biafra na that 1967 to 1970. That's 3 years Nigerian Civil War.
Fighters in Biafra land. I've told you people I've dedicated my life in this Biafra movement. Now only one thing. I'm at the weight. I will call it in my father's tongue. Ukpo. If you don't enter my hand like I want to make you enter, then you people will tell me why you killed my father. You people will tell me why I so much hate this Zoom Republic. Is for they killed my father. My father was a Biafran soldier. When I was 15 years, no, that time I don't get sense small. That's why, Baba, one day I just, Baba, why all this mark for your head? Now he explained some things to me. He said during the Biafran war, he was a Biafran soldier. So he was attacked in Izakibian because it was in 2nd Battalion. I know everybody that's come across this was 2nd Battalion. I know they the war. My papa tell me. And since then, since my father died, no day no man. That's in a snap head tear now. So then carry and go Enugu teaching hospital. Military hospital, just narrate the story for me. I was a little boy then. After that one, reach like a year or 2 years, he died. Because sometimes it go be like say get brain issue. Go just day, they do like person will get brain issue. And he told me, say there's no be real, as in say that during that period, those military hospitals say they are good. And he told me as how saying now whether now some Russia's doctor now them take care of him. That is why. Without that, if they don't die instantly because the hair tear. Very well, I saw the mark. So that is why if you see me sometimes I just come. I know they laugh. Because I'm not a bastard. I'm a son of my father. I'm the first son of my father. And my father is a hero. Yes. So big shout out to my leader, my president, Max Nnamdi Kanu, Prophet Max Nnamdi Kanu. It's a prophet of our generation. This video will love if you come across this video. So like and share. Because some people go feel say, why this guy they just vibrate anytime you come, this Biafran matter. I'm not a bastard. And I'm ready to give my father the fitting burial by marching with the Biafran army to give honor to my father because my father is a hero. And I'm a son of a hero. If you look at me, we're going to say I'm the gallant man. Don't say where this Zoom Republic say make I come join. I can never wear khaki for Fulani man. Because the Zoom Republic belongs to the Fulanis. Good. But you've killed my father. And the death of my father as a first son, even though if me and no me talk, my generation will revenge the death of my father. Because you people plant and kill my father. So there is nothing like Ojukwu. Ojukwu did not fight war. Ojukwu protects himself for self-defense. Yoruba and Hausa joined together to fight the Biafra. Ojukwu was protecting his land as a son of a father, not a bastard. So don't miss that issue. Said, if my president come out, we go still carry this issue, go walk out. Why did you kill our parents? So you think maybe people are thinking that MX Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra get long span. Biafra long. From Nigeria down to Malay, our matter long. We get men. Men, Nnamdi Kanu, no, among all, Nnamdi Kanu still there. It's still even one can top 10. Nnamdi still there and allow that top 8 for the men. Him still there. Another squad, another people they come wey wan agitate for Biafra wey be say na fire down. Don't hear the boss drop na fire down. This thing na something wey I no go fit stop am. That is number one. And number two, as the thing is escalating, say normally as una don offend us, na so una go dey offend, na so una go dey confused because the Zoo Republic is most the confused republic in the world. Why? Because number one, some idiots that did not know where they come from, bastards, After Bama go give one person doggy, go give another person doggy, blood will come join. They don't know where they come from. Some of them are in the president, some of them are in the post of our post, of the Zoo Republic post today. This one a general issue. Now woman they join all this nonsense blood. We go mix some of them are bastards. 85% of our leaders are bastards. They don't know their lineage. Now why the talk show be say some idiot go just come out in Lagos. I do go Lagos very well. I travel. I get everywhere in this country. From Lagos, if they ask you, you go hear somebody go say, I come from South Side. I go, oh, look, your boy, you idiot. There was a time I followed them, they talk that rubbish, where I don't know where I come from. This video go long way well, where I don't know where I come from. We have North, South, East, and West. I no go school, but my brother goes school. He dey teach me sometime. North, South, East, and West, all across the continent. Now, we come from Nigeria. Listen where those criminals, the lives of when Nnamdi Azikiwe, that man, if Tosino be say, is the Zik of Africa. That man deserve cane. He deserve cane.
So guys, thank you my fans, thank you everyone for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Above all things, remember, what we are preaching is peace. Let there be peace, let there be peace. Let there be peace among Biafrans, especially all these our spearhead, all these people that are pushing this Biafran. Everybody should speak with one voice. You let there be unity. Thanks and love you. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.